Hello and welcome to another random review and how-to. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Schroder SR-6400L gas-powered leaf blower. This is 3.7 horsepower. It has a 5-year warranty. I got this from Amazon. At the time when I bought this, it was about $369. So I will have a link down below to Amazon. Again, if you buy from there, it helps me, helps you. What I'm going to do is start at the beginning, show you me unboxing this, talk about how I put it together, show you it in action, and then just kind of my overview of everything overall. So let's get right into it. All right, so right now we're gonna go ahead. I've just opened the top of the box. Let's kind of peek inside. Looks like there's gonna be some put together on this. Again, this is the Schroder model SR-6400L. Got the little pull. Oh, this is a replacement starter. So they give you a replacement. Curious about that. This is the manual, user's manual. And then in the box here, all of this. Try putting those together. I got 3 pieces there. 4. It's all for the blower, and it looks like everything else is put in here for one piece. Great, that's what I was looking for. Oh, check, make sure I didn't miss anything in there. Nope. So the backpack looks like it's pretty much all put together. Straps are on, that's good news. The back part here, there is a pull there, so they give you a replacement. These things must go bad for them to just include one in there. I do have to put the arm on, so I'm going to go ahead and do that part, but that's pretty simple. It's not like I have a lot to do there. And it looks like they give you, for the fuel, it looks like they give you a little thing to fill for gas and your oil mix. You just kind of keep that, but you know, if you have a gas can, you don't necessarily want to use that. And then there's a couple Allen wrenches in here. And a screwdriver. So they give you the tools you're going to need if you ever have to probably take this apart. So coming out of the box, really already put together and ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and get some gas in here, put the arm together, and then we'll be good to go. All right, so we got the arm all put on here. All you're doing is just screwing these down tight onto these edges. This arm does still rotate and move. I'm sure if I put it like super tight, it wouldn't, but when I'm out moving, I like that it twists. So what I don't like is that for these pieces, obviously you groove these in, and then there's a little hole underneath here for it to screw in. There's a thread on the piece underneath. The screw is not catching the thread on either one of these 2 pieces. So hoping that they kind of stay on as I blow, we'll see. But if not, I'm just going to wrap them up with tape here on the edges. But yeah, it happens. That's what you end up doing anyway in the long run, is taping them. So I'm just going to tape the arm. There are 2 extensions. I'm using this one. There's the other one that's actually comes down into like a little real thin cone, but I like the open one a lot better. Just preference there. When you put this on, you do put the control, did the little joystick here. You do have to put that on, so make sure you put this piece on before you do anything else. It just has a nut there that tightens it down. And then that wraps up the arm there in the back. The mix on the gas, pretty standard. You're just doing your 50-to-1 mix. They give you a container to actually mix it in, but if you're like me and you have your mixed gas can already ready to go, just go ahead and put it in. So I'm gonna fill it up, start it, use it a little bit, come back, give my first impressions of what I think and how I like it compared to what I had, which was a Echo Jetpack. This thing is probably, I have a little handheld one, but I got this model here, the PB650 Echo. This thing's about 25 years old, I think. It was my father's. He got another one. He actually got the same model I did, so he gave me this one. I used this for a while, and then it just kind of stopped working as it should. So let's go ahead and blow some leaves. All right, so I've been blowing leaves. I've done probably 4 or 5 big loads of leaves like you saw there in that video. around the back of my house, down my driveway. We have leaf pickup in our neighborhood. So if I had to compare this Schroder to this Echo that I mentioned, the PB650, I would say it is equal to it, if not better. A lot of power. It's very comfortable. I will say you have to really make sure you adjust these straps to the way that, you know, your body is. The first day I kind of didn't tighten them as much as I wanted to, and one was rubbing against my back, so it kind of just rubbed a hole in the back there. But everything else, I mean, the way this arm works, it swings really good. You do have like a little lock button here on the trigger, but you're going to be squeezing this for quite a bit, and I would say you're just alternating fingers at the end of the day. So if you're blowing for a long time, that does get a little bit uneasy. But as far as starting and running and the amount of gas that it uses, I think it's about average of everything else that I've seen. The only other comment I would make is that the first couple times running it, it just smells weird. It has a funny smell that comes off of it. I'm sure it's just burning everything through the first couple of cycles, but by the last one, that kind of went away. So overall, this Schroder, I mean, for the price that you're going to pay for the power that they're giving you, 100% worth it on Amazon. I have a link down below if you're interested in buying this. You click from that link. You help me, it helps you. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them below. We constantly answer them. We'll see you next time.